Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the latest gaming keyboard. It is called Rii K66. It is an anti-ghosting mechanical red switch keyboard. Again, this is perfect for people that have roommates. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed, and once we open it, the unit is just sitting right on the top and it has the wire on the top part of it. Alright, so you can see the keyboard itself. It's really nicely designed. It has a really nice wrist pad right on the bottom part of it, and you do have a little sticker on it that says K66. And if you look on the top where the arrows are, it does have the Rii logo there. On top of that, the keyboard itself is really thick. It is very heavy. It has an actual red switch keys in it. And yes, when we say red switch, that means is when you click on it on each key, it has a more mushy sound to it than actual click. So this way, if you have roommates or if you are living in a small apartment, this will really work out for the people that are living around you, and you're not going to annoy them. Again, for somebody like me, I really like this, and I'm going to use this for daily basis. When I do my video editing, this is going to help me out because it doesn't make that much of a noise and I can hear what I'm going to edit. On top of that, if you want to use this also for your entertainment system, you can see there are some keys on the top, so you can play, pause, and also put the volume up and down right on the top of it. Wire for this is about 1 meter, and it is really nicely threaded, so this way you're not going to break or bend the wire itself. Again, if you can see that there is a little static noise reduction, so this way it does not give much of the statics going through it. On top of that, it has the USB 2.0 connection, so this way you're going to work with this a lot better. I do not want to forget that there is a software that is available through the Rii website, but you need to contact them in order to give it to you so you can customize certain keys for your gaming. Again, I didn't get that far with this, but for the meantime, when I connected it, you can see right now that you can change the keys for the red color that is inside of it. You can have it so when you press certain buttons, it just ripple effect will come through, and also just a few buttons if you want to click. And again, you can also make the color go up or down, so this way it going to lit up, or you can make it go dim, and you cannot totally turn it off. But again, it is very useful if you want to just leave it so you can light will go back and forth, and when you turn off the light, this could be used as your regular night light, so this way you can sleep. I would not suggest you do that, but again, this is a really cool looking keyboard. It has the perfect 104 keys right on the top, and on top of that, if you look in the back part of it, it is really nicely designed. It has a little pattern there too. You do have a little sticker, but again, if you look on the top part of it, you do have a little part so it can stand up. So if you want the keys to be really raising up from the top part of it so you can type properly, that is also there for you. Except that the rest part and the bottom cannot be taken off. Some people like to do that, and same with me, but again, you cannot take that off. That's one thing. And on top of that, you have some little buttons right on the top, so it will lit up once you put the num lock on. When you want to use the keys so it can change to different colors, you have to click the function key, and also you have to click on the print screen in order to use the light inside of it, so you can switch between one to another. Except that this is really cool looking keyboard. You have to remember that when the Rii tested this, every button on this is 50 million clicks, and it will work with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Linux, even Vista. And also if you want to use this with your Mac laptop or regular PC, also works. So this also going to work with Notepad, PC, and even Android. Links will be available where you can order this from at the bottom of this video. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.